everyone, today I thought of doing a video of how to do a facial treatment without needing Botox, okay? Because I know that women of our age, I saw so many like those, some of them doing live videos, right? And then you can see their brows are not moving. Okay, I can move my brows, okay, so I didn't have any Botox on, okay? So I'm going to show you today my version of Botox using Mary Kay, okay? Mary Kay do not have any Botox ingredients inside, but I'm just telling you, it gave me that Botox kind of final, kind of facial. So this is what I do to keep myself free from lines, okay? So what I do is I'm going to use my gel mask today. If you're here, say hi to me, okay? So I'm going to use my gel mask as I mentioned. If you watched yesterday my video on this, I actually did a facial treatment. So this one actually helps to hydrate your skin, right? And then to help you to repair your skin. On top of that, right, today I'm going to use this as a moisture mask. So sometimes, right, if you have okay, let's say for example, if you have like important events and you wanted to have that luminous Korean skin, right, you can use this one for about 10 minutes, alright? Okay, alright. So what I do is I'm going to apply on my right side of the face. So this one helps to moisture my skin, hydrate my skin, okay? And sometimes if I got like rashes, right, because right now it's very hot, right, sometimes I will have heat rashes after I wear the mask, right, I will have heat rashes, okay? So this one helps to calm down the heat rashes as well. Okay, right now we're having promotion for this one, 2 for 88, okay? So today I'm using this as a base, alright? Then next, right, I'm using this Radiance Peel, okay? This one, Radiance Peel, is superb. It has glycolic acid, right, and also on top of that, right, it has this peptide, so it helps to strengthen your collagen, produce collagen, and on top of that, right, prevents the lines from happening. Okay, because after 40, right, you will understand what I'm talking about. You will start to have like expression lines, especially here. So for me, right, if you know, my expression lines is here. Okay, so because of this one, right, it helps me to relax my lines and I do not have the expression lines so much. So if you know that a lot of women these days, if you see a lot of live Instagram, a lot of them are doing makeup videos, right, and then their eyebrows cannot move on because they do a lot of Botox. Okay, alright, so for me, right, I didn't do Botox, right, it's so expensive and it's so 6 months only. So I'm gonna show you how I do my Botox treatment on here. So I put a gel mask first and then I put a Radiance Peel over it. So a thin layer of it. Okay, but I put more on here because I have a lot of lines here, deep lines here, okay? So the rest I just put thin layer, okay, especially if you have deep lines here and here. Especially for us, right, if we tend to laugh a lot, right, this part is the most expressive lines here. So I'm going to put about 5 minutes. Okay, I don't know whether you saw my video on my new ebook on how to become irresistible and attract all the things that you want. It's free. You can go to my bio and get the ebook for free, okay? So this is my treatment for Botox, okay? Gel mask and also the Radiance Peel. Basically, this Radiance Peel helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and your expression lines. So you can do this, like if you have very dry skin, we do it only like once a week. You have dry skin, we do twice a week. If you have combination to oily skin, we do twice a week, okay? So what I like about this treatment, right, you can still talk while you're doing your treatment, okay? I've been using Mary Kay for about 10 years. I'm 43 this year and I really love the product. It's all plant-based. There's no like there's no animal ingredients in there. So if you're looking for products that's only plant-based, vegetarian-based, you can try this product. Okay, and it's about 55 years old already, 58 or 58. Okay, it started in 1963. Okay, so you do the maths. Okay, so basically I've been doing this for 10 years and I found a way to do it marketing online. You don't even need to lug your luggage anymore to do this business. So if you're interested to know more about this product and to know how to do it on Facebook online, I will teach you how to do it. So it's been giving me a lot of regular income. I've been doing it for 10 years. I know some of my associates that I met with, they are still doing sideline, but they still have a full-time job. So yeah, so I like this Mary Kay career, whereby it lets me do a lot of things, my confidence coaching plus doing my Mary Kay business. So I have two income coming in. Yeah, so I really enjoy what I'm doing. And if you see my Facebook, I'm traveling almost every month because of this career in Mary Kay allows me to do it as well. Yeah. Okay, good. So you can, so I'm actually, for those just joining in, so I just want to show you, for those who are 40 and above, right, you'll be happy to know you don't need Botox anymore. You can just do this treatment like what I do. Using the gel mask, right now we're having promotion on this one, 2 for 88. Original price 1 is 52, yeah. And then this one, Radiance Peel, it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And it helps to, oh, forgot to mention, this one helps to reduce heat rash as well, especially if you wear face masks. Face masks give me a lot of heat rash. You can see I have a lot of heat rash after I wear the face mask, so I'm allergic to face masks. I wish this COVID-19 will disappear quickly so every one of us will get back to normal world, okay? And I'm using this Radiance Peel to help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and also you don't need Botox anymore. So this is my Botox treatment. Alright, we're having promotion here, private sale here, so if you are interested to know more, PM me privately, okay? And then I'll tell you more about private sale. Okay, cool. So you just go on for about 5 minutes. Is it 5 minutes already? I use my okay, cool. I think it's about 3-4 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to remove it. So what I like about this treatment, right, just do it like, if you have very, very dry skin, just do like once a week. If you have like a dry skin, twice a week. If you have like a combination to oily skin, also twice a week. So as I mentioned earlier, that just earlier on, if you watch the beginning of the live, actually I have very thick lines here, but you see right now it's not much, right? And you don't even need to froze your eyebrows. Okay, my eyebrows are still moving. Okay, so it's very good for Botox treatment. So if you're interested to know more about products, there's a private sale going on for our customers. So if you're not served by any Mary Kay consultant, you can look for me. Okay, you can also, you know, do this as a business. If you're a homemaker, right, you'll be happy to know that you don't need a lot of money to start this business. Maybe 200-300, you can start a business really, and I'll teach you how to do it. Alright, so yeah, so okay, I'm done. Can you see the difference? This is so much firmer, right? Okay, you can see that this part is slimmer also. And the lines that I have is no longer deeper than before. Just now was very deep, but now you see. So this is my version of Botox treatment. Okay, it's very good for 40 years old and above. You'll be happy to love this, to try this product. If you want some samples, let me know. I'll squeeze some for you. But this is my version of Botox, and it's cheaper than Botox. You can use it for about 3 months, 4 months for a treatment like this. All right. Okay, cool. So next, right, what I do is with all these rashes and pimples, right, that I think my period is coming. Okay, so what I do is I use my purifying serum. So normally if you wear a lot of masks, right, you tend to have a lot of rashes. So for me, I also have a lot of rashes. So what I do is I'm using this purifying gel to help to kill my pimples, because when I wear masks, I will have rashes and pimples. Poor me, right? Okay, because the weather is so hot right now. So I'm going to use this on my pimples. This one is very good. Immediately it would go down 1 notch, your swelling. So I have a lot of pimples after I wear masks. And then if you tend to wear makeup, right, and then you fail to wash here, right, here also got a lot of makeup clog pores. So this one helps to kill the pimples. Very good for teenagers as well. This purifying serum. Okay, and then I'm going to use my I'm going to use my facial oil. Okay, this is my favorite. You can use it on your bust. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles on your neck and on your whole face. So what I do is I use the facial oil, and then I also use it on my forehead. It's very good to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, sorry, I'm sweating here. So hot here because I don't like to use aircon in the day actually. So if you want to firm up here, this part, right, just apply like this. So it helps to firm up your forehead. Okay, we call it the 40 syndrome. Okay, you have forehead lines here. So you see right now my forehead lines, I don't have lines at all. So this is perfect. Okay, alright, then we're gonna apply sunscreen. So all the products here are all Mary Kay products. They're all vegetarian. So I'm applying this sunscreen. This one is moisturizer also actually, but because I'm using facial oil, right, I don't need such a rich moisturizing cream anymore. I just need this for sunscreen. Make sure you apply sunscreen in the day and afternoon as well, when you're in the home or also when you're going out, because when you pass 40, right, you have all these pigmentations on your body, so I apply sunscreen on my body as well. No choice. Vain, right? So if you're not served by any Mary Kay consultant, and if you're interested to know more about our special promotion, just PM me privately and then I will tell you more. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, please spread this good news to your friends who are not served by any Mary Kay consultant. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!